Hi everybody, this is Chris again for part 7 of Breakthrough Chinese Pronunciation from fluentinmandarin.com. Before we start, as always, let's have a reminder of the colors I'm using for the 4 tones in Mandarin Chinese in this video. Okay, in this video we're going to be looking at sounds in Pinyin that end in ui. For example, gui. If this was pronounced in the same way as an English word, you might expect it to be pronounced gui, but actually it's gui. So it's almost like it has an oo in the middle of the sound. It's almost like it's u-e-i. Okay, let's try practicing some syllables that have this sound.
贵
means expensive.
太贵了
This is a common phrase you learn when you start learning Chinese. You might have heard it before. It means too expensive.
太贵了 崩溃
So here it's pronounced kui, and this word means to collapse.
回家
This means to go home.
嘴巴
This word is pronounced with a third tone, and the second syllable is unstressed. It means mouth.
嘴巴脆弱
So here we have 2 fourth tones, and this word means fragile.
虽然
So here this syllable is pronounced zhui, and this word means although.
追
This word is in the first tone, and here you can hear that this ZH sound, or ZH sound, is a little bit like the J in English. This word means to chase. Try saying it again.
追吹牛
This word means to brag or to talk crap. It's quite a slangy phrase, but it's not very rude, and you can use it in your conversations.
吹牛尖锐
This word is pronounced in the first tone and the fourth tone, and it means sharp.
尖锐
Okay, don't stop watching just yet because I've got something really special for you. The tones are a really important part of Chinese, so I've put together a 5-minute Chinese tones trainer, including an ebook and MP3 audio that will help you practice recognizing the tones in Mandarin, in words and in sentences, and you can get it absolutely free. Just click on the link on the screen right now or in the description below this video to sign up, then confirm your email address and I'll send the trainer out to you. Thanks for checking out this video, and see you very soon.